G'day and welcome to Turning the Corner with Jenny Brandis. This is number 8 in the series. The first thing we will do is physically turn our pillow and make sure all of the bobbins are hanging towards the direction we want them to go. Turn the pillow and then we will move the cover cloth under the bobbins. To do that, make sure there are no pins going through it. Then transfer all the bobbins onto the cover cloth. Then move the cover cloth with the bobbins. Now we are all set up to continue down the work. Take the time now to fix the thread length as desired. The outermost pinholes will be the first we work into. Cross, twist, cross, add the pin twist, put up the pin and tension, back through the passives and then work the whole stitch edge. Cross, twist, cross, push aside, cross, twist, cross, twist, put up the pin, tension, cross, twist, tension, cross, twist, cross, twist, cross. Make sure you have a twist across the gap. Put up the pin, tension, add the pin twist, cross, twist, cross, tension, cross, twist, cross. Add the 2 gap twists, then work the whole stitch edge. Cross, twist, add the pin twist, put up the pin, tension and back through. Cross, twist, tension. Add the 3 gap twists, then work cloth stitch through the passives. Cross, twist and cross. Cross, twist and cross. Cross, twist and cross. Put the pin twist on the workers, put up the pin. Continue like this, making sure that the pairs at the corners have not lost their twists. I will fast forward now to the foot side end. Let's look at the foot side corner. The passive pair goes around the corner, so to keep it in place, I will use a temporary pin here. The outside pair comes across to that pinhole. The outgoing pair comes through the passives to the outside pinhole. Cross, twist, cross. Then bring your passives across the corner. I like a sharp corner, so I use a temporary pin up into the corner. Add 2 twists to the outgoing workers. Do the normal foot side, cross, twist, twist, twist. Put up the pin between the passives and the worker and tension to the pin. Swap our workers as normal, back through the passives and add the 2 twists on the worker. Continue making the lace as before.